Hi everyone, I hope you are having a good day today and welcome back to my another video. Another tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to use wide angle camera on unsupported iPhone 10, 10s and 10R. As we know, the wide angle camera is only available on the iPhone 11 series and above. Basically, iPhone 10, 10s and 10R don't support wide angle camera feature, basically. But did you know, you can also get wide angle shoot camera on iPhone 10R and older? You can see this iPhone is iPhone 10 and I want to take a photo and video wide angle on this iPhone. Okay, the first time, please open your camera and then prepare the object you want to take a photo. Then change to pano mode. Move your iPhone to the right, but the camera still focus on the object. You can also do it vertically or horizontally to get maximum result. Okay, you can see the photo is like wide angle like iPhone 11 series. Okay, next, on the second tricks, if you want to take video like iPhone 11 or newer, this is without additional lens. Take the video, don't forget to change the quality video to 4K or better and maximum FPS on your iPhone. Then record the video, then zoom in twice and zoom out again to normal. This makes the video like a wide angle shoot. Then open the video and click edit, then trim the video, start from zoom in to zoom out. You can see the video like iPhone 11 shoot video. Okay, and the last, if you don't want to bother using special tricks, please use an additional wide lens. It's very helpful to you without buying a new iPhone. You can buy it on online store or on this website. You can check this website on description. You can select a lot of lens for your iPhone. You don't need to buy a new iPhone to get wide angle shot. And the shoot with additional lens is better than iPhone wide angle original. You can see this video. And also, one lens you can add to your another iPhone. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel for more updates. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.